So this is a wireless CarPlay adapter for your iPhone or your Android. This is the 2025 version. And if you're not sure what a wireless CarPlay adapter is, basically if your car supports Android Auto or CarPlay, it's usually through a wired connection between the USB port of your car and your phone. Plug this dongle into the USB port and now your system is completely wireless. It's plug and play, offers a fast connection, and this miniature design so it's not getting in the way or looking awful in your car. Now, the difference between previous versions and the 2025 version is that because it has a metal outer design, a lot more heat escapes from this. So when it's plugged in, it's not getting super hot, damaging your dongle, but also the inside of your car as well. Also, Bluetooth 5.2, so you're getting super fast connection. And of course, since this is a wireless CarPlay adapter, you're getting all of your CarPlay features. Now, setting this up is a breeze. You're going to go ahead and take this dongle, plug it into the USB port of your CarPlay or Android Auto. Go to your smartphone and then go to the Wi-Fi connections and connect to your box. Once that's connected, connect to it through Bluetooth and you're all set to go. Now, once connected, you'll see the CarPlay or Android Auto dash pop up, and that means you're ready to go. Make telephone calls as normal, listen to music, audiobooks, or even your navigation. Everything works the same exact way as if you were connecting your phone to the USB wire directly to the port, but now it's wireless, which is awesome because now your space is wire-free, clutter-free, and a lot more presentable to, whoever's in the car with you. Okay, let me share with you my final thoughts. First of all, I love the compact design. Second, it doesn't get hot. Previous models used to get really hot. With its Bluetooth 5.2, not only is the transmission faster, but also more reliable. And of course, the functionality is the same wirelessly as if I were connecting it directly wired. Okay, hope this video helped you out. Take care. Bye. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own. Hey guys, do me a favor, if you like this video, hit that like. If you love it, well then subscribe and ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. I'll see you next one. Take care. Bye.